Hi guys, I'm wearing a mask because I got stitches in my face, but ever since I got the Blink cameras, I've been wanting to make a video showing people how to install the mounting bracket on the Blink camera. So I'm going to show you guys a little trick for doing that. Um, as you know, guys, I am a mechanic. I've been a mechanic for 10 years or so. And I'm also an author. I'm the author of a philosophy book called Metaphysics and the Meaning of Life, which is a history of philosophy that focuses on metaphysics and then suggests some original arguments in neutral monism, and develops neutral monism as basically the sort of metaphysics that can work well with um, a lot of the recent discoveries in quantum mechanics, and especially in regard to entanglement. In any case, here's how you install the thing. I've got my Blink camera here. And so basically what you want to do is you hold it right there, okay? I've only got one hand to do this. So you tilt it to one side, hold it there, and then you're going to take a screwdriver. You're going to stick it in here, and you're gonna tap it down with a small hammer or a small metal object that you can use as a hammer, or a rock that's about the size of your hand or something like that. So stick the screwdriver right here in the lip, and then just tap it in with the quick motion. Make sure you put your camera on something soft like these paper plates. Something like that is actually perfect because you get some impact, but you're not going to break the camera. Alright guys, good luck to you. Have a good night.